Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sumit Kulkarni, and I am BI Solution Architect from Vyom Labs Private Limited. First of all, I would really like to thank everyone to join this webinar. Now, while we still await some more people to join, let me introduce you all to Vyom Labs in brief. Vyom Labs has had global presence with our corporate offices located in India, in Middle East, UAE, and USA. Our businesses carried out from various platforms and domains and include licensing, implementation, upgradation, and support for BMC products, along with various IT processes and business processes using Automation Edge. Now today, we are going to present webinar on topic Leverage Next Level of Business Service Management Reporting using Intellect BI Solutions. I am joined with my co-host Sushil Chaudhary, who is also a BI architect from Vyom Labs Private Limited. Now, without delaying further ado, let's get started. So, our agenda for today's webinar is going to cover various following areas, that is, Gartner's Magic Quadrant 2018, powerful BI options for BSM reporting, which includes inbuilt reporting and third-party applications. Then we'll talk about some benefits and concerns with inbuilt reporting, advantage with third-party reporting solutions, benchmarking to compare. Then we'll demonstrate some BSM dashboard which are created on various reporting applications. And lastly, we'll talk about some business benefits which Vyom Labs provides. Okay, so let's start with Magic Quadrant for BI and Analytics platform. So Gartner has officially released its 2018 Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence platform. At face value, not much seems to have changed. The same three vendors made the leader box this year as they did from last 3 years, which is Tableau, Microsoft, and Click. But if you take a closer look, you will notice some changes in the visionary area, where Sisense, ThoughtSpot, and Salesforce got highest customer rating than SAP, IBM, and SAS. So the conclusion of this year Magic Quadrant that is customers are looking for a third data visualization tool or Salesforce or self-service reporting application than traditional BI. So people are more interested to work on easy to use reporting application instead of using a traditional or enterprise BI application. So let's move ahead and talk about some powerful BI options for BSM reporting. So we have different options available for BSM data. However, in this webinar, we are going to talk about ServiceNow and BMC Remedy application. So ServiceNow and BMC Remedy has its inbuilt reporting application. So if you can see here, ServiceNow has a report designer which doesn't require any license, which is useful for basic level of reporting. And ServiceNow also has a licensed product called Performance Analytics, which will help you to create your own reports, and it is useful for advanced reporting need. Now, BMC Remedy also has a smart reporting and BMC Analytics. However, BMC has made a significant shift and now is going to concentrate or focus on smart reporting only. So if you don't need to go into the deep, then these inbuilt reporting solutions are sufficient for your reporting need. But if you need to perform some advanced reporting or a complex reporting based on BSM data, in that case, we have to look for some third-party reporting applications. So third-party reporting options are available, which can be easily integrated with ServiceNow and BMC Remedy. So we are talking about Power BI, Tableau, Click, ClickSense, ClickView, Microsoft, and Yellowfin. So these are some third-party reporting application which can easily integrate with your ServiceNow or BMC Remedy. So let's discuss about some benefits and concerns where we are going to discuss whether inbuilt reporting solution is good enough for our reporting need. So let's start with the BMC remedy reporting first. Now, the common benefits that you all might be familiar with smart reporting is it doesn't require any separate licensing cost. Also, it has various deployment options available. It helps in gaining valuable insight into your end user or your customer's behavior. So it obviously has a modern BI platform that supports reporting and dashboard needs. So smart reporting can easily help you to get a drag and drop UI for both users and admin. It also has persona based dashboard. It provides some cool out of the box reports, and it also has some report sharing and broadcasting feature as well. So we can say that smart reporting can effectively streamline business intelligence operations and carry out faster analysis with a far greater return on our BI investment. Although BMC Smart Reporting has these cool features available, it also has some concerns where customers are looking for an ability to complete complex database join. It also need a create which can create a consolidated report across change incident problem management, then ability to have a multi-tab reports in smart reporting. Also we can also create a complex calculation using database functions, in smart reporting is pointing to BMC remedy forms and not to the database here. So now let's move ahead and talk about some ServiceNow reporting benefits and concerns. When evaluating reporting approaches, an obvious place to start is with ServiceNow inbuilt reporting functionality. There are some clear advantages to using ServiceNow reporting, starting with the fact that it is built on same platform as your data. So reports are live, supports drilling through to the data, and respect the security of logged in user. However, there are some limitations in the reporting. The self-service approach to reports make them easy for users to define. But there are some distinct limitations. Some common report types like multi-level pivots are not available, and existing reports are limited to one or two dimensions. Then service catalogs, variables key to understanding service requests are not easily reportable. And when we talk about performance analytics, which is designed for advanced reporting of your ServiceNow data, it requires license and only concerned with historical trading. So in this case, if we configure performance analytics to get the live reporting, and if you have too many heavy reports sitting on your homepage dashboard, so you will face performance issues of your ServiceNow production instance. So in that case, if you talk about ServiceNow reporting and BMC remedy inbuilt reporting, then we need to look for a third-party reporting application for ServiceNow data, as ServiceNow has more concerns than BMC remedy inbuilt reporting. So let's see the approach for advanced reporting of your ServiceNow data. Now those who really need offload reporting, then this is the best approach that we have created. We are using a Snow Mirror, which is a third-party application which can integrate with ServiceNow. So Snow Mirror load our data from a ServiceNow instance and store it in the local database. And it uses our local database for data warehousing load. And then we can create our custom reporting on various reporting application which suits our requirement. So this is the structure or the approach of using advanced reporting of your ServiceNow data using third-party reporting applications. Now please allow me to introduce you all to Mr. Sushil Chaudhary, who is our BI architect, and he will now take this webinar ahead and explain the benefits of third-party reporting solutions.
Thank you, Sumit, for explaining benefits and concerns with inbuilt reporting solutions. Now let's talk about advantage available with third-party reporting solutions. So we have considered a few examples from Gartner leaders, Gartner's Magic Quadrant for comparison. So let's talk about Click first. So Click has their two solutions, ClickView and ClickSense. So ClickView and ClickSense are falls under modern BI tools for its self-service BI category. What do you mean by self-service? So where end users and your customers can easily create and dashboards on their own and require little or no IT support. It also has a unique feature called in-memory technology, where your reports and dashboards are stored on RAM and not on hard drive, which makes system faster than other platforms. It also has one of the feature called associative search. So it helps people to find data using the keywords that make sense to them. So example, if an individual wants to search for any particular department's data, so they can just easily search on a particular report and they will get it find available. You don't need to require any filters or static filters to get that. So it can be dynamically available. Your end users and power user adoption to platform is really smooth. As I said, it's a self-service BI and they can easily make it available. It also provides boundless visualizations where out of the box it provides multiple charts and options like we have scatter charts, we have radar chart. It also provides macro charts with ClickView. And with ClickView extensions, designers can create their own custom visualizations and use it in their applications. Your end users and customers can easily access reports and dashboard from anytime and anywhere. So that you can easily access some tablets on phones or laptops on your travel. So moving ahead, let's talk about Tableau. So Tableau provide versatile options for their deployment, whether it is on cloud or whether it is on premise. So it also provides multiple use cases for deployment. So this is one of the features which comes with Tableau. So Tableau also provides their diverse range of data sources connectivity. You can connect to multiple data sources, whether it is structured or non-structured, whether it is cloud or on-premises. So it provides multiple options for your connectivity. And flat files also you can be used to extract data, as well as its interactive visualizations and exploration capabilities makes it unique feature. You have multiple options for charts and graphs where you can build a report on. So sharing and capability is also available with Tableau, where your users can share their reports to teammates or partners and even users through Tableau Server and Tableau Online. So Tableau Server and Tableau Online, these are two other components which comes with Tableau. You also can integrate Tableau with R and Python for predictive analysis or forecasting. So this is one of the another feature that comes with Tableau. Let's talk about one of the traditional BI tool, that is SAP BI. So SAP BI provides complexity of analysis. You can do high level calculations or deep level calculations for your reports. It all, but the reporting and dashboard capabilities is low. So the interactivity for dashboard is quite low in SAP BI. So this kind of reports or self-service BI dashboards you cannot have in SAP BI. However, SAP BI can be integrated with Lumira and Design Studio, where you can have multiple charts options and graph options available, and you can build top upon it. It also can be easily integrated with third-party ERP applications or CRM. So, and it also has a native support from SAP HANA, where you can easily integrate SAP BI with SAP HANA, and you can have your reports and dashboard built. Also, automatic scheduling is available. That means you can have your reports and dashboard easily scheduled to your end users and like monthly basis and weekly basis. That option is available on SAP. Moving ahead, let's talk about Power BI. So Power BI brings all your data together in one place, allowing you to monitor the data that matter most to the users. So also it provides a drill through options and a drill down option where you can explore and discover insights from your data. Power BI connectivity on premises and cloud data sources, structured and unstructured, which are the unique features like Microsoft Dynamics CRM you can connect to, or Salesforce and other popular services. So you can get started in just minutes and you can start reporting on. So no matter where the data source resides, you can easily connect from Power BI. So Power BI keeps every user up to date. Power BI also comes with one of the unique features, that is natural language questioning. So the Q&A feature, which is available in Power BI, it just interprets your questions and serves the answer in graphical format, or the number of visualizations available like graphs and charts. So, and those are changing dynamically. So these are few of the one of the cool features which are available with Power BI. Moving ahead, let's talk about benchmarking to compare. So where customers, it helps customer to choose the right reporting solution for their business. So let's talk about evaluation periods, so like licensings or trial periods. So this helps customers or end users to try their hands on the respective tools and understand if it can fulfill their requirement, or if they want graphs or some scattered charts or plot charts. So if it is possible with these particular reporting tools. So this can be achievable only if they have the trial period or the demo versions available for those particular reporting tools. Hence, it is one of the important aspect to compare. Moving ahead, we have the category self-service BI. So it's the capability for end users to create reports or dashboards on their own without IT supports or less IT supports. So this is something customers are expecting through reporting tools, where they don't want dependency on any other team and don't want to wait until the particular request is gets approved. So that's one of the cool features customers are looking for with every reporting solutions. There is another benchmark KPI reporting. In traditional BI tools, developer has to create multiple calculations to get the KPIs data. However, in modern BI tools, they are easily available. You just have to get them from the forms or anything, the third-party application which you are using. You don't need much calculation for getting KPIs data. Moving ahead, the benchmark to compare is rich data visualizations. So most customers are looking for all kind of information on their fingertips, where through different types of charts and graphs. Hence, they are looking for variety of charts and graphs in reporting tools. So this is one of the benchmark in these days to compare. Advanced analytics, so it uses the mathematical and statistical calculations or algorithms, and it helps to customers to predict for predictive analysis or forecasting of their data, and their respective probabilities, which help them to forecast their particular organization's data. So moving ahead, we have limitations for BI project implementation, like application issues or lack of resources or lack of support. So this is one of the major benchmark which customer consider while choosing for any reporting solution, whether they are getting product support or community support for particular tool, or whether the documentation for videos for the product is readily available. There is one more benchmark, like whether it can be integrated with their any third party application which is available in their own environment, whether it can be integrated with SSO along with other applications. So these are the few benchmarks which we have listed uh, for choosing particular reporting tool. So moving ahead, we consider for our next agenda, that is demonstration of BSM dashboards. So this is one of the dashboard created with smart reporting, that is the inbuilt solution for BMC. So it provides with global filters, also different KPIs can be plotted using multiple charts and graphs. So it comes with numerous dashboard, service dashboard, incident dashboards, and problem and change, as you can see. So also it comes with another dashboard, the incident dashboard. You can see there is a pivot chart, line chart, and it can be combined with multiple options. So these are a few examples which we have listed. So ServiceNow inbuilt reporting, this is one of the graphs which has been created with the basic reporting that comes with ServiceNow, and it can be displayed with the multiple available charts and graphs options. Moving ahead, we have ServiceNow performance analytics, so where different KPIs can be viewed on a single dashboard, and you can see the data about customer satisfaction score, open cases. These are nothing but the KPIs which are available in ServiceNow. Moving ahead, so these are the third-party application, reporting application, which has been integrated with ServiceNow. So this dashboard is built on ClickSense. So ClickSense integration is ServiceNow. You can plot major KPIs on same dashboard where drill down and drill through functionality is available on graphs. You can also view the area charts available on it. You can also embed geo maps using Click and visualize your data across the regions. So same kind of functionality is available with Tableau with quite different types of charts and graphs. Like you can see Gantt chart is there, tree map or waterfall charts which are available Tableau. Moving ahead, we also have the drill through functionality for the ServiceNow application where you can click on incident ID available in your dashboard and it will take you to the incident ID open in particular ServiceNow app. You don't need to have a separate console to log in and then have the data to be compared. Moving ahead, we have Power BI dashboard, which showcase area charts, cards for KPIs, or combo charts with combination of column and line charts. Also, the donut charts or gauge charts are available, which are showing the average availability and other calculations for KPIs. So, as we have seen capabilities or features of each BI tools, this showcase how powerful reporting tools are. So let's talk about some business benefits which Vyom Labs provides to you. So as Vyom Labs, we are working in BSM and BI domain since more than 10 years and possess expertise in both areas. So modern BI tools helps to gain valuable insight into end users or customers' data. We as a home labs possess complete BI services, starting from helping customers to choose right BI tool for their business, to implementation and helping them to build visualized applications through available reporting tools. This helps in streamlining customers' business and operations, and also indirectly helps them to productivity gains. So with this, I would like to take it to our last topic, that is Q&A, and we can take few of your queries. Also, if in case more depth approach is required, then that can be requested in mail and we can get back to you and discuss in detail. So the mail can be available on the last side. You can type your questions on the question box available in the webinar and we'll be able to help you with your queries. So we have one query here. Does Snow Mirror require any license? Yes, Snow Mirror requires a separate license. However, you have a trial version available for Snow Mirror, which we can use. So it is available for 30 days, where you can use the Snow Mirror and you can try your hands on Snow Mirror. So we have another query, like, can we report on any third-party application data which is integrated with Snow? So yes, so as Sumit has mentioned in architecture diagram, so you can have your Salesforce data or any other applications data that is integrated with Snow, and you can report on it. And using the Snow Mirror, you can connect pull data in any third-party application database, and you can start reporting on it. There is one more question. Is live reporting available with this approach for ServiceNow? The architecture which we had mentioned has the live reporting options. There is no concept of replicated database which you are not using here. So it's kind of live reporting. So whatever data you see on ServiceNow, the same will be available on your reporting console. So we have one question here, like which tool is better for visualizations? So in latest, as per the latest quadrant, magic quadrant for Gartner, so ClickSense is one of the best or booming tool which is available in the market, which you can use for the better visualizations. It provides numerous charts and graphs where you can use. We have one question here, like does this tool have capability of doing risk analytics on your asset management? So I will say yes, because we can integrate Tableau and Click with R and Python. So these tools have predictive analysis or forecasting analysis functionality available, so you can easily predict or uh, compare their capabilities on configuration in future. So we, for now, we have recorded the available questions, and we will analyze them, and we'll get back to the answer within a day or two. And you can also contact us on the provided email address in case of any further queries. Thank you for your time on the webinar.